All right, here we are at the home show. I've bumped into Darren from Tankless. All right, I got a bit of a problem with that. I'm going to call you Daz because I love a nickname, obviously being Wombat. And the other thing is you're called Tankless, but you're really all about tanks.
That's right,
Yeah, but your tanks are different. Like, we're not talking above the ground.
No.
We're going deep underground.
We're going under.
And what you're actually doing is taking a old pool that no one wants to use anymore and turning it into a water tank. And over on the wall here, we've got a bit of a demonstration of how it's done. So there we've got an old pool. Doesn't look real nice anymore.
Full of algae, so we've got rid of all the algae.
Yep. So rather than like just cut this thing out, turn it into waste, builder's waste, which we know is 45% of our landfills at the moment, we leave it there, and we line it, we fill it, and cover the top. And we end up with something really
as
like
great
this.
as that.
Yeah, that's
a usable space.
Yeah, which could be a veggie garden, which could be anything, just a lawn section.
Whatever you want, decking, it could be veggie garden, it could be a lush lawn.
So getting back some of your area.
Give us your space back.
Yeah,
in the
but
backyard.
also using what's underground.
Absolutely.
And this is all you're left with, a little box on the top.
Just a little box. That's it, Wombat. Just a little square box is all you're going to see on.
So everything that you do is underground.
Yes.
So if you got water underground, you obviously you need to be getting it out of the ground, but you want to be filtering it.
Yes.
Because it is, you know.
Well, you're getting a lot of debris coming in off the roof, so you need to separate those leaves and the sediment from the tanks. So
and that's why you really need a good filter to make that happen.
Absolutely, that gives you really good quality water.
There you go.
Use. So
that's awesome, mate. I mean, I really like the whole thing about it not going to landfill. Obviously it costs a lot of money to remove a pool, but you found an easier way to do it.
Well, it's a simpler way, and it's a lot cleaner, and it's not messy, and it's not noisy,
and a lot more eco-friendly.
Very eco-friendly. So I think we're on a winner here.
Perfect, mate. I love it. You're no longer underground. Let's tell the people about it.
Come out of the ground.